describe yung stage ng life and career mo now? What has surprised you the most? And para kasi yung stars mo never seem to fade. You're still on top of your game. Top artist ka pa rin in the country. Paano mo ma-define yung career mo ngayon?
Gusto ko sabihin mas relax, pero hindi din siya relax in terms of schedule. But like, I think meron siyang feeling of you're not here to compete. You're not here to... Kasi 29 years eh, so parang medyo mas relax ka na. Mas relax ka na, mas kampante ka na. And I think one thing that I've super learned as well is proper time management na hindi ko ginagawa dati. So, ngayon is really about the work-life balance.
When you mentioned yung scheduling, paano yung pagbabalance mo with family time? Kasi aside dito sa career mo sa Philippines, you also like do fashion weeks, you go to different countries to parang be a cover of the magazine. Paano yung family time mo with Dahlia and her work?
Well, right now, bilang nasa school naman na siya, all the vacations revolve around school vacations. So it's easier to plan and to plot. Basta ang number one golden rule namin, once it's school vacation, no work. No work.
And then, one of the parang viral moments in recent months, yung conversation mo with the Meryl Streep and Anne Hathaway. Can you tell us ano yung naging experience mo doon? And parang may part pa doon, trip ka. What was going through your mind that time?
I mean, never in my biggest dreams would I have thought I would meet at the same time the Anne Hathaway and the Meryl Streep. I was honestly very nervous. Disney had told us we had a time limit, so you really wanted to control like your questions and make sure you get everything asked within the time frame. And you know what? Speaking to them, they were so kind, so humble. We even went beyond our minutes kasi they were just chatting, and even when I tripped, they were just, so they made it a funny moment, and wala na after nun, super kinakabahan na talaga ako. But they were just so generous and kind, and it was just a surreal moment for me as an actress. Like, these are people you idolize. These are people you grow up watching. So to be within less than a meter away from them, like, yung nginig ko, tinatry ko i-control. In fact, tinanggal na lang dun sa edit ko ng video. Tinanggal ko kasi yung voice ko in the beginning, like, we are here in Tokyo for the premiere. Alam mo yun, it was just like so bad. But then after that, because nga napaka-generous nila and so kind, biglang naging conversational. So it was just like chatting with them. So it was something I'll hold in my memory forever and ever. Thank you, Disney.
And lastly, you mentioned kanina yung Boy Bus. We're also very excited. What makes you very excited for this film? And anong Anne Curtis ang makikita namin this time?
Of course, I'm back in my action era. But it's a totally different story from what you've seen in the film. Yung film kasi nangyari lang yan isang gabi. Ito, it's a 9-episode series, but it's a totally different world. So, every time, like we've been working on it siguro mga 3 years na, minsan parang sobrang pagod na kasi syempre action, pero when I see the preview, grabe, sobrang ganda, sobrang worth it. And I can't wait for the world to see it. Malapit na malapit na.
Alright. Thank you, Anne.
Thank you.
Alright, great questions. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, let's hear from Rafael Bautista from Mega.